Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to delete apps on Mac. First thing that you should do is to simply go and open your File Explorer, then head to the applications on the left side right here. Once you head to the applications, now you will have to choose the application that you want to delete it. So select the application, then go and click on the file on the top left side, then go and click on Move to Trash. Once you click on Move to Trash here, it will ask for the authentication by using the password or your fingerprint. Just authenticate using whatever passkey that you are using, and after authentication, you will now have to empty the recycle bin because now the application is inside the recycle bin, but it is not permanently deleted. So you need to permanently delete it by emptying the recycle bin. And to do that, you should go and click on the Finder option on the top left side. Then once you open it, go and click on Empty Trash, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.